Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's office. About 5 a.m. this morning, my fur baby Fizzy was really insistent about me getting up. I just thought she wanted to be fed, but as I go into the kitchen, ants. Yeah. That's why I'm in my office doing the daily message, because my office, my lab/kitchen is kind of torn apart. Yeah. Fortunately, they haven't hit the pantry. The only thing I can think of is the heat drove them in, because they came from an area of the house I have never seen before. So yeah, last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Congo. I'm going to reach here, where I prepared fumbwa, which is technically a Congo spinach stew. I didn't use enough spinach, to be quite honest. Oops. It's really good. I did add a little bit of veggie stock, which is not part of the actual recipe. I thought it was drying out and starting to burn, so I added some stock. So that was kind of a mistake. That's because it ended up being too liquidy, to be quite honest. But it's good. So yeah, I'll get the recipe up. Have fun with it. I did serve it over long grain white rice. There's a couple options. There's a couple suggestions in the recipe on how on how or what to serve it with. So yeah, today, once I get my kitchen back in order, the Culinary Expedition does continue. And I am we're headed to Laos, where I'm going to be preparing pork larb. There's several different versions of larb. I mean, Thailand has one, and blah, 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 blah. So I'm actually looking forward to this. I'm actually going to serve this because I'm kind of getting tired of rice. I'm actually thinking about serving this with quinoa. I know it's not part of that region of the world, but the larb will be traditional. So yeah, keep me in your thoughts as I clean my kitchen. It doesn't, and honestly, it doesn't matter how clean your kitchen is, the ants will find something. Period. All right. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.